all day yesterday. So, really beautiful right now, really green. Hey, Pops! And the bugs aren't too bad. I know it looks like there's a lot of bugs here, but they're not too bad at all. So, yeah, this is Chaos, Wolfie's dog. And Wolfie's nowhere around here. I wonder if he knows where Chaos is. I'm thinking not. Look at that dog. That's a bundle of energy right there. I'm gonna text Wolfie. Well, it's been about 10 minutes. No response from Wolfie. I'm 100% sure that he doesn't know Chaos is here. So it's a good thing I was only dropping the bike off today, and I could do it any time during the day because they're actually working on it tomorrow. So I have lots of time because I'm taking a trip out to Wolfie's. Dog's got a lot of energy. Junebug's not liking this. Jeez. Wolfie's trail is almost as bad as mine. And since he doesn't drive an ATV, he doesn't have a lot of reason to clean up crap like this. Chaos is not used to running near an ATV, or he's not used to. And, okay, look out, look out! He doesn't understand the danger. Move it, Chaos! Ugh. Oh, what a shithole. Got a text from Wolfie finally. He said he's been calling Chaos for an hour. Yeah. That's like 3 kilometers from Wolfie's place to the road. It's a long way, maybe 3.5. She was out at the he was out at the road.
Oh shit!
It was weird because I drove up there and there's like all 3 dogs are racing around. And I'm like, wait a minute, are there three black dogs here?
Yeah, he went off after the partridge. We're actually right over here cutting wood, and he chased the partridge up through where the elk were cutting across the edge of the swamp in the winter.
Yeah.
And I told you to come home. That doesn't mean Trenton.
And then I guess he got in the trail and went the wrong way. Yeah. Yeah, just lucky, guys. Taking my bike. I was taking my bike down to Napanee today.
Oh, into Cartronics.
Yeah. Easy. Oh, I know. You're a good little girl. You don't wander off, do you? Do you? I know. All right. Well, I'm gonna get going.
Let's go.
What's this?
That's the inverter. I got the 2000 hooked up. I'm not sure if you got anything to strap it down.
All right, let's go.
Thanks again, Ross.
You're welcome. See ya. Oh, 2 hands for this bird. And we're back. Time to get the ATV loaded. any wetter. He's soaking. Some small attempt to keep my back seat clean. Okay, come on. Ugh. Come on, Willow. Yeah, good girl. GPS is taking me on a nice scenic route. Oh, God. Well, there she is, sitting there waiting for service. Had a bit of a fright. The guy says to me, we'll get to it in 2 or 3 days, and I said, oh, no. Well, I made an appointment. He said, oh, and battery died. Yeah, he said, so he had to check his appointment book and said, oh, there you are. So anyway, they'll work on it tomorrow and hopefully be done. And my hair a real mess. Then I'll come back and pick it up Wednesday. Today's Monday. Let's go. One more stop. Yeah. Well, what do we got here? Probably not a good spot for you, buddy. Big ol' snapper. Hmm? There's not actually much I can do to help you, bud. Come on, grab it. I'll help you out, bud. Grab it. Nope. Oh well. Well, we're back here. I just did that thing where I got out of my car and I'm like, where's my ATV key? Where's my ATV? Duh. But anyway, good hike coming up, good hike. I wisely wore this really dark hoodie so that I would attract all the bugs. Smart thinking, Russell. Anyway, we've got a pretty good breeze here, so maybe that'll help keep the bugs away too. Oh, I've got my somewhere I've got my my bug net and my bug jacket. In fact, I've got that little backpack thing, waist pack, whatever the hell that's called. So I'm gonna find that and bring that out. Yeah. So I forgot my my hip bag at the cabin. And I'm getting pretty sweaty. This thing's gonna come off soon. Ooh. Lily pads. Look at the yellow flowers. Very nice. I just ruined that shot with a voiceover. I'm sorry. And a wild June bug appears. Poop. not actually that warm out here. But I guess when you're a willow, you need cooling down. How diverse this area is. It's amazing. Well, we made it. Mosquitoes started to find me. I guess once I started sweating, made it much easier for them to find me. Look at those wind-blown trees. Let's check out the water situation. Not bad. Pretty clear. It's got some crap on the top, but maybe I'll cover it up like that one. So yesterday it rained so long and so hard that I filled up every container I had. I filled up every container I had, and I even did 2 loads of laundry, and the barrel was filling up pretty much as fast as I could use it, which is nice. It's you see that hummingbird above my head or beside my head? Anyway, yeah. So it's the next day. I just got off the phone with the guy at the at Cartronics. He said he gave me a list of things that's the bike needs, and I didn't write it down. I probably should have. But brakes all the way around. The U joints are gone. The something. The I don't know. $2,000 worth of stuff needs to be fixed, and that's before they even get to the stuff I asked them to do. Like I don't know, hundreds of dollars and oil change, and I asked them to finally replace the winch cable and a few other things, clean out the rad. So I said, you know, the bike only cost me $7,000 in the first place 2 years ago. So a hard time spending that kind of money. And he said, in general, the bike's falling apart. You know, I use it pretty hard. I really do. And yeah. So spend $2,000, probably $3,000 by the time they're all done, everything. And then, you know, how much more use do I get out of the bike? So the reason I look kind of depressed is because I need a new bike. And that means a lot of money. Yes, I could probably drive my bike a little easier, go easier on it. Well, you guys have seen the trail. It's just a hard trail. Anyway, I'm not sure what I'm going to do now. I start looking at used bikes again. You really toss the dice when you buy a used machine. Especially for a guy like me. I'm not very good with engines. I'm not very good with mechanical things like that. Cars or ATVs or whatever. I'm just not. It's stuff I don't grasp easily. Anything I've ever learned about, you know, cars, say, has gone in one ear and out the other. I just cannot keep any knowledge in my head about them. I don't know why. If it's a computer, yeah, hell yeah. I learn computer stuff really fast. I'm really good. I'd never forget. Cars, I just can't do it. So you know, as I said, I really roll the dice when I buy a used machine like that. I had really good luck with this one. It's been great. Only had the one problem when I got it, the leaky gas tank. But now I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do. I told them, don't do any of that work. Just change the oil and replace the winch cable. And maybe I just drive it into the ground. One day it'll die on me, and then I'll have to really do something fast. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Well, I just got a call from Cartronics. They're done with the ATV. They close at 5. It's about 2:30 now. An hour to walk out of here. An hour to drive down there. Should be able to make it. Might as well pick it up today instead of tomorrow. Today's almost shot anyway. So, I still couldn't find that hip pack. I don't know where it is. And that's where my head net is in my bug jacket. But the bugs aren't bothering me out here. I think it's too cold for the deer flies. And I might just be staying ahead of the mosquitoes. But you will notice I'm wearing a much lighter shirt. I've got my Raspberry Rock hoodie on. So one smart thing I've done, I guess. I don't know if it's open or not. Having a nice go. Yeah, carry on. Well, we got her back. Not only did they put a new cable on it, they gave me a new hook, and they had to put a new fair lead on it, roller on it. Guess the old one was all damaged. You can kind of see where I'm harsh with my ATV.
Oh, who's that little girl? Who's that little girl? Who's that one?
Getting some groceries. Might as well. I feel like I'm in another planet. Totally forgot my shopping list. I don't know what I'm getting. Whoa. Ooh. And once again, no Asian barbecue. All packed up. Ready to go, except for a bag of dog food. Yeah. Here I am again. Here we go. See you guys. So this video just keeps going on, doesn't it? Anyway, I got picked up a Guinness. Yeah, after my last video where I did those beer reviews, a few people commented and told me that I had no clue on how to pour a beer. And one person was even so kind enough to give me step-by-step instructions on how to pour a beer, which is great because in 30 years I've never learned how to pour a beer properly, I guess. Jeanette. Anyway, I'd show you what I was talking about in that video, if you've seen that. Oh, and I've... It just came in on the ATV. Okay. Here's the way this is supposed to work. You just kind of pour it all in. Just like that. See, even after being all shook up on the ATV and me just dumping it in, it doesn't foam all over. In fact, there's a little ball in there that kicks up a lot of carbonation as it's coming out. And that's what you get. See, this is what I was expecting the other night when I poured those beers. You know, you just dump it in and it doesn't go all over the place. But some beers you can and some beers you can't. And I don't know which ones you can do that. Whether they specifically have to be stouts or what. I don't know. I gotta figure this out. Maybe somebody will tell me. And I'm sure somebody's gonna watch this video and go, "You still have no idea how to pour a beer, Russell." Maybe I'll do a video on how to pour beer. Anyway, you should know that I love Guinness. In fact, the last time I was doing a video, I was wearing my Guinness shirt. And I wasn't wearing my Guinness pants, though. Where's my Guinness shirt, anyway? I think I washed it, actually. Anyway, I love Guinness. So, cheers, everybody. Yeah, that's the stuff right there. I should put another one in the fridge. Anyway, let's go to the sunny deck. Yeah, I expected some sunshine here, obviously. Anyway, back to reality. We are getting a bit of something. I'd like to know when we started paying $100 an hour for a mechanic. guess. So this is what's written down here. It's kind of loosey-goosey the way it's written. Jim Bug, please. General inspection needs front drive shaft including U-joint, coupler, and boot worn/loose. All brakes are worn almost to metal. Right front outer CV boot is torn, will let debris into joint. Left front lower ball joint loose, worn. Lube may help temporarily. Right front upper and lower A-arm bushings are loose, worn. Rear U-joints are loose, worn. CVT inlet and outlet boots are cracked. Customer was advised and declined repair. Yeah. And there's no... I don't know why he didn't put the... He told me over the phone it would be $2,000 to do all that, and he didn't put that price down here, so I assume it's a best guess. Or maybe it didn't include labor, I don't know. So that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, why do you think I needed your butt here, girl? We're not doing butt inspections today. Anyway, I guess that's it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below of my ATV problem and what you think I should do. Because I still don't know what I'm going to do yet. And enjoy the scenery for a bit. Alright, I'm going to get up. Can I get up?